Okay, so we have just this chain of dominoes going to this Noon's Cradle that will use 2 dominoes, specifically 2 dominoes to hold up 1 Noon's Cradle. And then it goes down and hits this ball, and then it'll follow down this trail to all the way, and it'll land on the bell, and maybe there'll be a pipe in the middle, so yeah. Okay, so our thing is first domino train just like before, and then you take these 2, and to set it up, you put these up against it, and then lift up and push here, push on the inside a bit, and it'll set it up. Yep. And if you push good, and it'll stay like that. And it's very loose still, so we might need to find a better way. Like maybe like make the table a little bit sticky or something with my hand. And then so it'll knock over. And wait.
What do you need?
This.
Like a bunch. Give me a second.
Here. Oh yeah, okay. Whoop. Hi. Okay, so now we have this ball here that this will fall and hit after the dominoes. And there's this very smart adjustable domino thing. So basically, this is a bench, this goes on here, there's this holding a pipe, and there's adjustable dominoes. So basically, if you needed to go a little bit higher, like you put it this way, you know, whatever. You'll know how it works later or whatever. Okay, so this will hit it in, and then it'll way down here, and inside here, this is about like what? I don't even know. What length is that? Like 5 centimeters? Okay, but how many is in there?
Let me check. Good question.
Oh no. So this is taped here in a very specific way. There's 1
way.
centimeter, one inch.
Alright.
That's kind of just
Tennis ball. We got tennis
There's
ball.
a golf ball in there.
We got tennis ball.
Yeah.
Tennis ball.
Tennis ball. 2 dominoes, you actually knock it over. It just triggers up. You know what, whatever. But it'll hit this and the golf ball will go out.
10 dominoes.
10 dominoes and
10
one
dominoes, tennis ball.
1 tennis ball. Okay, cool.
Good. Good.
Okay, well I accidentally set it off, so like it's well, let's just clean up now. Okay, epic.
Oh.
Yeah. No.
Glorious moments. Glorious moments.
Oh, it's going. No.
Glorious
It
moments.
worked earlier. Wait, he swapped the ball. Sorry.
He got a worse ball. Justin.
You got the heavier.
Come on.
He give me the heavier one.
Justin.
Okay, here goes. Yeah. Yo, wait.
It's a.
I knew it. We accidentally. Okay, just let it go. Yes. No. Yeah. Okay, so there's a ball and it goes here. It goes down and knocks stuff down. Theoretically, it just went down. Okay. Theoretically, this falls in, guys.
Yeah.
Don't worry, guys. And there's a string there, so it's gonna.
That's not even me.
So theoretically, this gets removed.
No, it's okay. Stop. Restart.
No, please. We have to run it through.
No.
Okay, so theoretically, this falls, that goes down, this goes here. So theoretically,
it worked
earlier.
theoretically, this
worked
is
earlier.
pushed.
Bro.
Oh, okay. So.
What is happening?
What the frick?
What is happening? What is happening?
Tell me when the video starts.
Okay, so the video started and
Hello. So there's supposed to be a machine here that will make something to do. Make
Yeah,
the pool
it'll
ball.
push the billiard ball
the
in.
pool ball's gonna fall.
once the pool ball falls. Yo!
I know.
I told you
That's
the small ball is too
unfortunate.
small. Oh, let's go! And then the Noon's Cradle will push that ball in totally. Did not. Okay, this lands and a golf ball falls out and goes in.
Okay. I'm gonna drop this. Hey, camera here, sir. Camera closer. Okay. All right. So we're gonna move this. This ball's gonna fall. It's gonna hit the other heavier ball, and then roll and knock the domino. This survives, and bam.
No, it missed.
Hey,
By a little bit. Come on, that's pretty cool. Wait, yo!
That's
The
not
dominoes
intentional. It's not
fucking
intentional.
stands. No, but that's cool.
Okay, we good. Good camera angle.
No!
Look at ours, look at ours, look at ours. Yes, sir! Yeah! Yeah!